Hey guys, it's this here today. I'm gonna be reviewing another the two fidget spinners. Oh, yeah, guys. So here's this one. It's the gold one, same thing with gold. Yeah. So let's see the unboxing. So yeah, this is the gold one of it. Spins nice. It's loud. Can you guys hear it? Hey guys, that's how loud it is. I don't know if you heard it or not. But it's nice. I can pop out the cap. There's the bearing. There it is. So here's that one. And these are the outer bearings. There you go. The caps are indented. Alright guys, so what is C? There is a little thing. I mean, it's like a little, it's like, what is that, guys? I don't know what that is. That's like a chip. No, it's not. I don't know. It's not a chip because it's sticking out. But what is that? Like, I don't know what that is. Yeah. Now let's get into the other one right now. All right. So here is the last one out of them. It is just metallic blue. So let's get to the unboxing. Guys, I probably won't be making any videos for tonight, but tomorrow guys, make sure you look up for like 4 or 5 around there. So here it is. Let me just get it out. Here it is. It's blue, which I like the color. It's not wobbly. The same thing on here. There's a little mark. Is that even a mark? I don't know what it is, guys, but here are the caps. I can get them out. That's the back. There's the back of the bearing. Here's the front. There is the front of the bearing. Guys. Go. So, let me just go get the other one, guys. I'll be back. Alright, guys, I got the other one. Okay, so I got, yeah, and I traded 2 for a necklace. The Batman one and the green one with the hexagon looking thing. Wait, I want to see. Okay. This has to be the quietest one. Listen. It has to be the quietest one. This is the gold one. And this is the blue one. I think the blue is the loudest. So, yeah, that's for the fidget spinners. If you guys want me to do an ice fidget spinner, I can do that, guys. An ice fidget spinner, guys. Yeah, guys. Tell me in the comments below if you want me to do an ice fidget spinner. Boom! I got three of them. See? But yeah, guys, these are the fidget spinners that I got today. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Tell me in the comments below if you want to see the necklace. Now do that. So, bye, guys.